Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for s in this equation 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x is equal to 36. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. And so you can see that we have here 3 raised to power s, 3 raised to power s, and 3 raised to power s. 3 raised to power s is common. Let's bring it out. We have 3 raised to power s bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 1 plus, if you divide this 3 raised to power s by this 1 plus, if you divide this 3 raised to power x by this, we have 1 is equal to 36. Now this is 3 raised to power s bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, is equal to 36. Then this is, if you divide the whole of this equation by 3, we have 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 divided by 3 is equal to 36 divided by 3. And this still is cancel this 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 2. This is 3 raised to power s is equal to 12. Now let's take the log on both sides of this equation. If you take the log, we have log 3 raised to power s is equal to log 12. Then x log 3 is equal to log 12. Let's divide both sides by log 3. X log 3 divided by log 3 is equal to log 12 divided by log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. S is equal to log 12 divided by log 3. But 12 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. Then this can be written as S is equal to log 4 multiplied by 3 divided by log 3. And if you have log A multiplied by B, this is equal to log A plus log B. Then S is equal to log 4 plus log 3 over log 3. S is equal to log 4 over log 3 plus log 3 over log 3. This cancel this. This is same thing as 1 plus log 4 over log 3. S is equal to 1 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 square over log 3. And this is the same thing as 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 3. Then take note of this, that if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. Therefore, S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power s plus 3 raised to power s is equal to 36. If s is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3, then we have the whole of this is 3 raised to power s multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. This is 3 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 multiplied by 3 must be equal to 36. And this is 3 raised to power 1 plus this can be written as log 2 square base 3 multiplied by 3 must be equal to 36. And this is 3 raised to power 1 plus log 2 square, that is 4 base 3 multiplied by 3 must be equal to 36. And take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 3 raised to power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 4 base 3 multiplied by 3 must be equal to 36. 3 raised to power 1, this is 3 multiplied by the whole of this is, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then this is 4 multiplied by this 3 must be equal to 36. And of course, 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12, times 3, this is 36, is equal to 36, which is true. We may also solve the equation using another method called method 2. Let's consider this method called method 2. And this is the method of natural logarithm. We have the given equation 3 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power s is equal to 36. And this is the same thing as 3 raised to power s multiplied by 3 is equal to 36. And this is the same thing as 3 raised to power s is equal to 12. Now let's solve this using natural logarithm. Let's take the natural log on both sides of this equation. We have ln of 3 raised to power s is equal to ln of 12. Now this is x, ln of 3 is equal to ln of 12. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by ln of 3. This divided by ln of 3 and this is divided by ln of 3. This ln of 3 cancel this ln of 3. This is the same thing as ln of 12 divided by ln of 3. And of course, from here, if you want to get the value of s using calculator, you can also solve it directly by getting the value of ln of 12 and divide it by the value of ln of 3. But here we may express this further, that is, s is equal to ln of 12 over ln of 3. This is the same thing as ln of 12 can be written as ln of 4 multiplied by 3 over ln of 3. Then this is s is equal to ln of 4 over ln of 3 plus ln of 3 over ln of 3. This ln of 3 cancel this ln of 3. S is equal to ln of 4 over ln of 3 plus 1. Then the whole of this can be written as s is equal to 1 plus ln of 4 is 2 ln of 2 over ln of 3. Then this is the final answer again using the second method. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.